Jeff Bezos is a successful entrepreneur known for being the founder of Amazon, one of the largest online retailers in the world. He was born on January 12, 1964 in Albuquerque, New Mexico, USA. Bezos has a background in computer science and engineering, and prior to founding Amazon, he worked on Wall Street as a financial analyst and investment manager. In 1994, Bezos founded Amazon in his garage in Seattle, Washington. Initially, Amazon only sold books online, but later expanded into the largest online retailer in the world with sales that encompassed a wide range of products, including electronics, clothing, and household goods. As he built Amazon, Bezos continued to innovate and develop his business. One of the major innovations he introduced was the introduction of Amazon Prime in 2005, which provided free and fast shipping for many products on the Amazon site. This feature later expanded to include more comprehensive features such as access to streaming movies and music. Bezos has also been involved in various other initiatives outside of Amazon, including the founding of the rocket and space company, Blue Origin, in 2000 and the purchase of the Washington Post in 2013. However, Bezos has also faced controversy throughout his career, including accusations of mistreating employees and avoiding taxes. Additionally, he made headlines in 2019 when he announced his divorce from his wife of 25 years, Mackenzie Scott, and the subsequent settlement made her one of the wealthiest women in the world. Despite these controversies, Bezos remains one of the most successful and influential entrepreneurs in the world.